morning, boys and girls. Today's stories are going to be about birds. Now you're seeing lots of birds out. And here is our craft. Today we're going to make a parrot. That's what she looks like that. Then you will have a coloring sheet you'll have in your kit. You will also have a color activity to do. So you will be matching different colors together. So that's what will be in your kit. And our first story is called In the Nest. Look at the birds and the baby birds in the nest. Birds have to have their nest, don't they? All day long, a little bird flies to and fro. What do you think she's doing? She's carrying twigs to the cherry tree. She weaves the twigs around and around and around to make a nest. Look at her nest she's made. Then she lays 5 speckled eggs inside and snuggles up to keep them warm. Tucked away inside the nest, the little bird's eggs are safe from harm. A hungry fox would like to gobble them up, but it can't reach them. There's another nest in the cherry tree. It's hidden away inside the trunk. And there's one in the muddy riverbank. The little bird sits on her eggs and waits. She doesn't leave the nest, not even when she's hungry. The father bird brings seeds for her to eat. There's the father bird coming in. See, he has the seeds in his mouth. One day, there's a tap, tap, tap. Quickly, the little bird hops off of the nest. The first tiny baby cracks out of his egg. He doesn't look much like a bird. His eyes are shut tight, and he doesn't have a single feather on him. All the other babies hatch out. They open their beaks wide and squawk, squawk for food. Their mother and father bring them juicy bugs. The babies gulp them down and squawk for more. Soon the baby birds grow fluffy feathers. They open their eyes and look around. They grow bigger and bigger and bigger until they're much too squashed in the little nest. One of the babies flaps his wings. He flaps and he flaps, but he doesn't take off. So he jumps off the nest and flops more. He's flying for the very first time. Before long, the other baby birds start flying too. They swoop and soar up, up, and away. All the little birds have gone now, and maybe one will come back next year. Okay. This one is called Birds. In the morning, I hear the birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow, blue, brown, red, or even green, I think. Sometimes they're black. Their eyes, their feathers, they're just shapes because they're hard to see. Birds can be big or any size in between. Look, there's an owl too. Once I saw 7 birds on a telephone wire. They didn't even move. They still didn't move. I looked away for just 1 second, and they were all gone. If birds make marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. Look at all those tail feathers if the birds could make marks with their tails. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this, or like this. Sometimes in the winters, A bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. Look at the red bird there. He's all by himself. If there are lots of birds in one tree, they all fly away at the same time, it looks like. The tree yelled, "Surprise!" If I were a bird, I think where all the other birds go when it's storming and they can't get home to their nest. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. We can pretend like this. And I can sing with the birds. She's singing to the bird. All right. Our next one is Hooray for Birds. Can you imagine just for one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray, hooray. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Your neck go up that high? Ours can't, can it? Say hello, then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and swoop down. Swoop around and around and around. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very, very tall on just one leg. Look at the penguin there. Say cluck, 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 and lay an egg. Catch a wiggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing tra-la-la-la, tweet, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich, go, go, go. Show off your tail feathers and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day, cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight, hoo, hoo, hoo. Okay, a rooster wakes you up and an owl
sings you to sleep.
No, he's awake all night watching over you.
Oh, I see.
All right, let's do 5 little monkeys, okay? Five little monkeys sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 4 little monkeys sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 3 little monkeys sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 2 little monkeys sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along that monkey out of the tree. One little monkey sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. Boys and girls, have a great day.